Hello, welcome to Thesis 123. I learn and teach online from anywhere at any time. Now we will discuss about basic arithmetic operations of part B. That means last class we discussed about basic arithmetic operations of depending upon order of precedence. There we can stop that scalar arithmetic operations. Now we will see the order of precedings. From there we can continue our second video in the basic arithmetic operations. Here we were going for the execution of few expressions. As the general programming practice, parentheses are also used for change the order of execution. The execution of few expressions with scalars at command prompt can be shown using MATLAB executes and displays the results as a default variable answers. Now we will see the execution format based upon the MATLAB software. Okay, here execution of mathematical expressions at the command prompt. Within the command window, mathematical expressions can be written based upon our requirement. Now I will show you. Previously we just did the operations based upon scalar operators. Okay, now I can be shown you with the execution of mathematical expressions at the command window or command prompt. For example, 5 plus 4 by 2 will get answer, it is a 7. Okay, this is the normal operation which we did previously. Now I will show you with the execution of mathematical expressions. It's nothing but 5 plus 5 by 3. Okay, for this I need to write some comments. I mean nothing but I need to give expressions for that. Here 5 by 3 is executes executed first. Okay, for this is the answer, right? 6.667. For example, I can change the expression, that is nothing but 5 plus 5 by 3. Here 5 plus 5 is executed first. Okay, and that is the answer. It's nothing but 3.333. Whereas come to another expression, that is nothing but 5 into 5 by 3. Here what is the first thing exactly? Which one can be executed first? This is 5 into 5 is executed first. Okay, the simple logic is from left to right. From left to right, here the expression can be executed. Its answer is nothing but 8.333. At the same way, we will see the long mathematical expression, that is nothing but, for example, I am taking 9 power 1 by 3 plus 16 power 0.3. This is my expression. Which one can be executed first? It's nothing but whatever we are seeing here, 1 by 3 is executed first. There is no doubt at all. Then for the all answer it is. Then for the second expression it will take then exponents. Those are nothing but 9 power 1 by 3 and 16 power 0.3 are executed. Okay. First thing which can be executed, it's a normal arithmetic operation. Then it will go for the exponents. First is parenthesis and next one is exponents, and third one is according to our order of preference proceedings. It can execute. Here there is no into, right? There is no multiplication. Therefore it goes addition. That is nothing but operation of addition. Okay. Is executed last. This is the operation. That's nothing but answer is, for this answer is nothing but it's a 4.375. Okay. This is the answer. This is the way of execution of mathematical expressions at the command prompt using order of precedence. Okay. And I will show you one more example. It's a 0.325 plus 0.325 power 2 by 2 into 3 plus 3 power 2 by 2 into 4. This is the mathematical expression. We will get an answer, this one, for 1.4676, but you have to know the things, that is nothing but which one can be executed first, that is nothing but order of precedence. First thing will be go for parentheses and second for the exponents. Third order is nothing but multiplication and divisions. Fourth order is nothing but additions and subtractions. This is the order of precedence. Now we will go for the next slide, that is nothing but display format. MATLAB handles floating points numbers in either single precision or the double precision. Double precision numbers use 64 bits, whereas single precision numbers use obviously 32 bit based upon the IEEE standards. Okay. The double precision number can be converted into single precision number using single command to reduce the memory requirement. The user can see that result is displayed in the command window with 4 decimal digits, which is default format for the displaying the numerical values. This display format can be controlled by the using the format command. The display format does not affect how MATLAB computations are done. Some of the available format commands are listed based upon our requirement. Commands can be obtained using help format command at the command prompt also. Now we will see the output display formats. Some of the output display formats which we explained clearly that will be shown within the MATLAB software. Okay. Here first I want to use the format is nothing but format command is nothing but this display the format of controlled by the user using format command. I will show you how the format command can be useful for us. For example, pi value, obviously we know that 3.1416, right? Before that I want to type format short. This is the default value exactly which we are having it in the MATLAB software. Okay, now you saw this is the exact value which we are writing normally. Whereas come to format long, let's see what is the pi value. Let's take lot of decimal values. It's 16 digits, nothing but 3.141592653 like that. Okay. And simultaneously we will see the one more thing. It's nothing but format short e. Now see the what is the pi value. It can be displayed as scientific notation with 4 decimal digits plus exponents. Okay. And also we will see one more thing here. G, and we will see the pi value. Once again we will get 3.1416. It's nothing but best of the fixed or floating points format with 5 digits. Okay, this is the command which we can use for the format short G. And one more command will be there within the format model. It's nothing but format long. Now see the pi value. It is having that scientific notation with 15 decimals digits plus exponents. Okay, this is the what is the for long and short, that is nothing but for single and double precisions. Okay, at the simultaneously we have one more thing here, format long G. Also the pi value. The best of fixed or floating format with 15 digits. It is also show you with the best fixed or floating points. Whereas when format long E, scientific notation with exponents. Here we can't getting exponents values, right? Now, and one more thing will be there here, format bank. This is the command. Here we see the pi value. What is this? It will display only 2 digits. That is nothing, 2 decimal digits. Okay. And one more command is there for format. It's nothing but format hex. Now show the value of pi. It is the hexagonal value which can displace of the bits. The pi value bits will be displayed with the hexadecimals. And one more thing here, using format plus. Here the pi value can be displayed obviously plus, that is nothing but positive, negative or 0 numbers can be displayed, whereas within the pi value we can get it, right? And one more command is there using format. It's nothing but format rat, that is nothing but rational approximations for pi value. This is the rational approximation for pi value. The difference of format short for short T, short G, and long E, long G can be easily notified, right? This is about basic arithmetical operations. Here we covered order of precedence and display format. Okay, these are the things today we completed based upon MATLAB software. And for more queries, just visit our website www.thesis123.com for more videos and for more student projects. If you have any queries, means just email us to info@thesis123.com, and don't forget to subscribe and click like below the video and give feedback for us for our improvement. Within the coming videos we can discuss about variables and arrays. Let's wait for that video. We will come back to you, and thank you so much for watching this video. All the best.